Hey guys, Angela here. If you're a big sushi fan, stay tuned because this video is for you. No, we're not actually making sushi, and no, we're not doing anything traditional. We're gonna try making something called a sushi bake. First things first, we gotta cook our sushi rice. Now typically you want to use a short grain rice. Short grain rice is stickier, it holds together better, and that's why it's used in traditional sushi recipes. However, my parents already cooked white rice and it's just regular medium grain rice. I don't want to be wasteful. I don't want to cook another batch of rice since I already have some white rice, so I'm going to use this. But be aware, you really want to use short grain rice. So it's really important to make sure that your rice is hot. Again, it's supposed to be sushi rice. It's supposed to be short grain rice. Sushi seasoning, or you could use rice wine vinegar. Okay, it's like a couple of tablespoons. And then you want to mix the seasoning with the rice. Okay, so you want to get like a pan. And then we're gonna put our rice on here. And of course you can make as much or as little as you want. I'm just doing this for a small serving. So now that you have your base, your sushi base, which is just rice, you can really top your sushi bake with whatever sushi toppings you like. I have some sushi grade salmon, and I have some imitation crab meat, and I'm gonna make the sriracha mayo topping with some furikake. So let me show you guys how I construct this deliciousness. So on the base layer, I'm gonna sprinkle some furikake. So this is imitation crab. It's used in a lot of Americanized sushi restaurants. Okay, so with the imitation crab, we're gonna get a fork and we're just going to kind of shred the imitation crab up. For the spicy mayo sauce, it's super simple. We have some Japanese mayonnaise, Kewpie to be exact. You could use regular mayonnaise if you cannot find Kewpie in the Asian market or in your local grocery store. It does have a different taste. This really has like a deeper, richer flavor, and I think it tastes so much better. Makes the spicy mayo spicy sriracha. Okay, you could add as much or as little as you want. I like to just swirl a little bit of the. I'm actually gonna add some green onions to this just for some color and some more extra flavor. You could just see, like, it's so pretty. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut this as thinly as I can. So we're gonna add our crab topping first. We're just gonna make sure it's evenly distributed. Just line it up like so. Okay, and I'm just gonna do a little extra. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that mayo and I'm actually just gonna brush it on top of the salmon. The more I stare at this, the more I'm just questioning my sanity. But I swear to you guys, I swear, this is yummy. Just so that it looks prettier, we're gonna sprinkle some more, you guessed it, furikake. So I have the sushi bake in front of me. So this is how you eat it. You wanna get a scoop of the rice, a little filling, just like this. You're gonna get sheets of seaweed paper. You're just gonna wrap it up like this. You could dip in soy sauce or in wasabi if you like. I just like it like this, so itadakimasu. It's like having all the flavors of sushi night in one dish. And when I say sushi again, I'm gonna emphasize Americanized sushi. You have to find that Kewpie mayonnaise, guys. That is really the secret in making this flavor good. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love sushi and baking like me. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Take care. Bye.